Okay, let's get started. This is speaking mock test, and I'm Janjua, your IELTS interviewer. And what's your good name?
My name is Abrar Ahmed, and you may address me as Mr. Gani.
Okay, Mr. Kenny, can I have your ID, please?
Yes, here you are.
Okay. Well, where are you from?
I am from Dina. This is
Okay.
Tehsil Dina. This is the center of District Jhelum and Mirpur, Azad Kashmir. And this is very good and ideal place to live in.
Okay, ideal place. How can you say that it's an ideal place?
Because this is the center of Tehsil Sohawa and District Jhelum. And secondly, it also touches the Mirpur, Azad Kashmir. So that's why it is good place.
Okay. How long have you been in Dina?
I have been in Dina since my birth.
Okay. How is Dina a different sort of city than other cities of Pakistan?
Dina is very nice place. It is very peaceful, and it have all kind of facilities in it. Education system and hospitals, all kind of facilities are available in that city. So this is a good place, I think, to live in.
Okay. Are you an introvert or extrovert sort of person?
Well, about me, I would say that I am introvert person, extrovert person. Like I'm very expressive, and whatever I feel or whatever I think, I must share it with the next person.
Okay. Do you like to take exercise?
Yes, I do. Exercise is very necessary for the fitness, and the fitness increases your personality when you are physical fit and when you are having a good look, and it is necessary. And I do it, and I do it at my home.
Are you the health conscious person?
Yes, too much. I'm very much conscious about my health, as this is very necessary. When you are healthy enough, you can perform all of the tasks very well. And when I feel that my weight is increasing and some such kind of stuff, and I start working on it, I start reducing my weight. I take some nectars and extra conscious about my health. I guess I am.
Okay. So where would you like to take exercise, in your home or in gym?
As I have told you earlier that I am working in a bank, and because of the deficiency of time, I cannot manage to go there. I do it at my home.
Okay. How do you pass your weekend?
Well, there are so many things I have to do. When the days are approaching near, I keep on planning that how will I manage them and how will I accomplish the necessary tasks. So I make a proper roster for this. So I spend time with my family as well and friends, and accomplish my task on the end of the weekend.
Okay. Do you go for hiking along with your friends?
Yes, many times I have been there with my friends. It's tiring and hectic too, but I enjoy a lot whenever I go there. I have been many times.
Okay. Mr. Kenny, now it's the part two, and I'm giving you the cue card. And the topic is the country where you would love to travel in 2022. Why is it your best destination? And would you like to travel alone or with family? And how is this country a different sort of country than other countries of the world? Okay, so this is your cue card, and you have just 1.5 minutes to prepare it. Okay.
Well, there are so many countries I always wish to go, but Canada is my most favorite countries because of so many reasons. And the reasons are, I'm going to explain. The education system of the Canada is very robust, and his healthcare system is very fascinating and very charming. A lot of facilities are given. Either you are the Canadian resident or the Canadian citizen, still you are given this facility. And a lot of perks, benefits are there. Income is good, health benefit. So that's why I want to go to Canada in 2022.
Why is it your suitable and best destination?
Because the income is good, the health benefit, and the weather is very charming over there. And to me, the financial stability is very necessary. So comparatively, comparatively Pakistan or other countries, the Canada is the best place to live. Its economy is very thriving, and it's very peaceful, and the people of the Canada are very welcoming, very kind, and very polite. So this is the reason to go over there.
So would you like to travel alone or with your family?
Both are good, as there are some advantages and disadvantages too. Whenever we go with the family, it is very good to travel with the family, obviously. But we have to be extra conscious. I have to care. Definitely, if I will go with my family, I will have to take care of myself and my family too. So when I will go alone, and definitely I will be sad too that I'm leaving all the things behind and I'm going alone. In that case, I will have to be more conscious. Definitely, both things are good, and I will manage them somehow.
Okay. Tell me the three positive and constructive the beauties of Canada and attributes of Canada.
Well, Canada is very famous because of its beauty and scenery, and whenever I would suggest to my cousins and siblings and friends too to go there in the time of to spend the time of layer over there, particularly the Niagara Falls and the Jasper Park. And these are the places whenever someone will go there, he will have the very good memories when he will visit those places.
Okay, Mr. Ebrar, you have wonderfully spoken and you have been very fluent. Inshallah, you will definitely get more than 7 bands, and here I give you the 7 bands for your speaking test.
Thank you, sir.
All the best. Thank you.